The fetal roll into a half kneeling squat looks like this. So this is your half kneeling position. So you're just basically in a squat, but kneeling down on one side, squatting on the other side. You can see what it looks like. To roll out of this position, you're going to have to support with your elbow. The weight goes down through this elbow. So I'm taking this hand down, dropping my weight down onto the elbow as I reach the right hand, right foot away from each other. This should look very familiar from the fetal roll, out into a star position, reaching all the hands and the feet away from each other, then bringing the right elbow and right knee together, going through the fetal position, pushing into the elbow and up into the half kneeling position, back the other way, finding the elbow on the ground, reaching the left hand away from the left foot into the star position, knee and the elbow come together, and then pushing into the elbow to come back up into this half kneeling position.